So in this video, we're going to talk about the nomenclature of esters, okay? And we usually say esters are this R bonded to a carbonyl that's bonded to an oxygen that's bonded to another R group, okay? And this O8 here, this O8 ending here is actually what we use to replace the E on the alkane name on the longest continuous carbon chain. So, if the longest continuous carbon chain is hexane, then we drop the E. So if the longest continuous carbon chain is hexane, essentially we drop the E, and then we add this O8 here. So this becomes hexanoate, okay? And so that's what we need to know, okay? Now, how do we name these? The longest continuous carbon chain always involves the carbonyl carbon, okay? So that's how we name the parent chain. So let's take a look at the first example. So how do we name this? Well, again, the longest continuous carbon chain includes my double bond. And so if I look at this is carbons 1, this is carbons 2. So as a parent, this is ethane. But again, remember we dropped the E, so this is ethanoate. So the parent in this case will be ethanoate. And now look, what do we have bonded to the parent? Well, look, we have carbons 1, 2, 3. So as a substituent, this is as a substituent, usually we say this as a propane, but as a substituent, it's propyl. So this becomes propyl ethanoate. Okay, let's look at this one. Well, it looks to me that my longest continuous carbon chain always includes my double bond. So if I look at this is carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as an alkane, this would be hexane, but we drop the E and add this OATE. So the parent chain in this case will be hexanoate. Well, look, what do I have bonded off to the parent? We have 1, 2. So we have a 2-carbon branch. Okay, so in this case, as a substituent, this would be ethyl. Okay, so this would be ethyl. So this would be ethyl hexanoate. Okay, let's look at this one. Well, to me, it looks as if my longest continuous carbon chain goes this way because it includes a double bond. So this is carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know this is, as a parent, this is octanoate. Okay, and then as a substituent on the other side, we have carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have a 5-membered branch. Okay, and if it was an alkane, we would say this is pentane, but as a substituent, we got to remember this is pentyl. Okay, so as a substituent, try to get my focus here. So as a substituent, this would be pentyl. So this is actually pentyl octanoate. So let's get a little bit more complicated. So how would we name this one? Well, now again, the idea doesn't change. Our longest continuous carbon chain will involve or double bond. And so if I look at this is carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, so this is butanoate. Now, the parent actually will now be 2-chlorobutanoate. Okay, so hopefully everybody could see that. The parent would actually be 2-chlorobutanoate. So we got to include the substituent in the parent. Okay, and so for the parent chain, this is actually, we'll call the parent 2-chlorobutanoate. Okay, now as a substituent, what do I see? Well, now I have carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 5-membered branch, which we'll call pentyl. So this is pentyl, and we also have on carbon 3 we have a bromine. So the substituent will be 3-bromo pentyl. Okay. And so how do we put it together? Well, we'll simply put the substituent and then the parent. So this becomes 3-bromo pentyl, 3-bromo pentyl dash 2-chloro butanoate. So you can see this is a very long name, but again, I want you to get the idea. It doesn't matter if there's a substituent that's listed in the longest continuous carbon chain. That substituent has to be listed last as a part of the parent chain. Okay, so let's look at one more. How do we name this one? Well, to me, what is my parent chain? It happens to go this way because this includes my carbonyl carbon. So this is carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we know as a parent, this is pentane if it wasn't alkane. But because it's 5 and it's a ester, we call it pentanoate. Okay, now on carbons 3, we have a bromine here. So the parent in this case would actually be 3-bromo pentan. 3-bromo pentanoate. Okay, and as a substituent, well, we just have 1, 2 as a substituent. So this is ethane if it was an alkane, but as a substituent, this is ethyl. So putting everything together, we'll call this ethyl 3-bromo pentanoate. Okay, so again, you could see that these nomenclatures actually is very not hard at all. Hopefully you could see the pattern that whatever I'm labeling as carbon 1 is actually always the carbonyl carbon. Okay, always a carbonyl carbon, and we count them from there because we want to give our ester, the parent, the lowest number possible.